How to create a home and decor e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own e-commerce website using weebly.com. So this is the main page of this platform. If you want to create a new account, you just click on sign up. If you already have an account, you go with login. Like me, I already have an account in the platform. So I'm just going to type in my email or my username and click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds guys, and it will be loaded right now. And then click on login after typing your password, and you will be logged up right now. So this is the dashboard as you can see, but first let's go to this button in the right, click on it and click on add site, because this is an old website I already have in the platform. So I want to show you how you can create a website from the beginning. So just click on add site if you already have a website in this platform, and then here you will be able to type in the name of your store. You can always change that later, so just give it a name for now. And for me, I'm just going to type in the niche's name, which is home and decor, and click on continue. Then answer these questions, one of these three. So I'm going with the middle one. No, I'm not selling yet, I'm not sure yet. And here you have what type of items will you be selling online. So I think I'm going with the home and decor. So let's see if I find that niche in here. So here it is, home and living. I think it's pretty much the same niche. So just if you can't find your niche in these categories, just type in other and then you click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world outside of the digital, you can give them the address of that store. If not, you just click on skip and you give them some time to customize your settings so they will be able to build your store. So this is the dashboard of our store. As you can see here in this button, we will be able to edit the site. Also in this button, if you click on design now, it's pretty much the same. And here we have some sections that I'm going to explain them first, then I'm going to show you how you can edit your store. So let's start with website by clicking on the website. As you can see here, you can edit the site, which is the same as this button. And then you have the domains if you want to set up a .com or a .shop or a .star for your store. So here you can set up the domain, and if you don't know what domain means, you can just click on this button and you will see a paragraph that explains domains for you. So let's close this section and let's proceed to the next section, which is items, and it's where we can set the site items by clicking on site items. So just give it a few seconds to load, and here you will be able to add new items to your store or import items from other stores. Like if you already have a store in some platform, you can just import the items by this button, as you can see. So let's proceed to the next one, which is the site's categories by clicking on site categories, and it's where you can organize the items that you already set. In here you can just click on the add category and you will be able to organize your items. And by items I mean products guys, it's the same thing, it's just playing with words as you can see. Then we have the options, and it's where you can allow your buyers to select different options like color and size on your website. So if you want to add options, you can do that in this button. And then we have the coupons, which is very obvious if you want to set or create coupons for your buyers. And then we have the gift cards, also the same, and the customer reviews and the item preferences. So let's close this section and let's proceed to the orders, and it's where you can see a dashboard for your orders in here, but for now we don't have any orders. You can check that later after you create an order, or if you want to export them like exporting products, you can just do that with this button. Then we have the fulfillment section, and it's where you can set up the pickups or the shipping settings. Then we have the reports, and in the first one it's where you can see the summary of all these reports, as you can see. But if you want to see each one separated, you can just choose the one that you want to see. If you want to see the site's traffic reports or the site's activity reports and so on, you can just do that by these categories, as you can see. Then we have the marketing section, and it's where you can set the emails, the automated and the ads, also the mailing list. Basically guys, the marketing section is everything related. So in this section you can find everything related to growing your audience. Then we have the communication section. It's where you have the email and text alerts, the pop-ups, messenger, and also the abandoned carts. And we have also the settings, which is last but not least. If you want to change the general settings of your store, like the company name, address, street, email, and so on, also the checkout and the sales taxes if you want to set the sales taxes, and the checkout if you want to set your store, your payment processors like your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or if you want to change the currency of your store from the United States dollars to any other currency you'd like. So that's it for these sections. Let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site. So just click on this button and you will be able to change everything in your store, from the logo, the header, the footer, and the sections that you have in the middle of your website, and basically everything in your website. So just give it a few seconds to load, and it's pretty easy. Just work with these features and you will be able to change everything. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about this platform. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.